Are you ready to unlock the potential of Bitcoin trading and make a profit? Many people are curious about how to trade Bitcoin successfully. What strategies can you use to navigate the volatile world of cryptocurrency? In today's video, we will cover how to trade Bitcoin for profit. We'll discuss the basics of Bitcoin trading, the key strategies to use, and some tips to help you succeed. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this guide will provide valuable insights to help you make the most of your Bitcoin investments. Let's get started. But before we continue, we would like you guys to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell icon so you do not miss out on any amazing and entertaining content. Also, for more updates, be sure to visit our website regularly at cryptogalorenews.live and follow us on Instagram at cryptonewsgalore. Understanding Bitcoin and the market. Bitcoin is a digital currency that operates on a decentralized network using blockchain technology. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin is not controlled by any central authority, making it an attractive option for many traders. The value of Bitcoin is highly volatile, which means it can fluctuate significantly in a short period. This volatility presents both opportunities and risks for traders. To trade Bitcoin successfully, it's crucial to understand the market dynamics and what factors influence Bitcoin prices. These factors include market demand, regulatory news, technological advancements, and macroeconomic trends. By keeping an eye on these elements, traders can make informed decisions and maximize their profits. Choosing a trading platform. Selecting the right trading platform is a crucial step in your Bitcoin trading journey. A good platform should offer a user-friendly interface, robust security measures, and a variety of trading tools. Popular platforms include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken, each offering unique features to cater to different trading needs. When choosing a platform, consider factors such as fees, ease of use, customer support, and the availability of advanced trading tools. Security is paramount, so look for platforms with strong encryption, two-factor authentication, and a solid reputation in the industry. A reliable platform can significantly impact your trading experience and profitability. Setting up your trading account. Once you've chosen a platform, the next step is to set up your trading account. This usually involves registering on the platform, verifying your identity, and securing your account with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Verification processes may vary, but typically you'll need to provide personal information and identification documents. After your account is set up and verified, you can fund it by transferring Bitcoin from your wallet or depositing fiat currency. Developing a trading strategy. A well-defined trading strategy is key to successful Bitcoin trading. There are several strategies to consider, each with its advantages and risks. Day trading involves buying and selling Bitcoin within the same day, aiming to profit from short-term price movements. Swing trading, on the other hand, involves holding positions for several days or weeks to capitalize on larger price swings. Another strategy is scalping, which focuses on making small profits from numerous trades throughout the day. It's important to choose a strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance, trading goals, and time commitment. Technical analysis for Bitcoin trading. Technical analysis is a crucial tool for Bitcoin traders. It involves analyzing price charts and using various indicators to predict future price movements. Key indicators include moving averages, relative strength index, RSI, and Bollinger Bands. Moving averages help identify trends by smoothing out price data over a specified period. The RSI measures the speed and change of price movements, indicating overbought or oversold conditions. Bollinger Bands provide a visual representation of volatility and potential price reversals. By mastering these indicators, traders can make more informed decisions and improve their trading outcomes. It's important to combine technical analysis with other forms of research to develop a comprehensive trading strategy. Risk management in Bitcoin trading. Risk management is essential for successful Bitcoin trading. Given the market's volatility, it's crucial to protect your investments from significant losses. One effective method is setting stop-loss orders, which automatically sell your Bitcoin at a predetermined price to limit losses. Position sizing is another important aspect, ensuring that you don't invest too much of your capital in a single trade. Diversifying your portfolio by trading different cryptocurrencies can also spread risk. It's vital to have a clear risk management plan and stick to it, even when the market is unpredictable. Proper risk management helps preserve your capital and allows you to trade with confidence. Staying informed and adapting. The cryptocurrency market is constantly evolving, with new developments and trends emerging regularly. Staying informed about the latest news, regulatory changes, and technological advancements is crucial for successful trading. Follow reputable news sources, join online forums, and participate in trading communities to stay updated. It's also important to continuously evaluate and adapt your trading strategy based on market conditions. Flexibility and the ability to adjust your approach as needed can help you navigate the market more effectively. Psychological aspects of trading. Trading can be an emotional roller coaster, with the potential for significant gains and losses. Managing your emotions and maintaining discipline are critical for successful trading. It's important to have a clear trading plan and stick to it, avoiding impulsive decisions based on market fluctuations. Developing a strong mindset and keeping emotions in check can help you stay focused on your long-term goals. Taking regular breaks and practicing stress management techniques can also improve your trading performance. By mastering the psychological aspects of trading, you can make more rational decisions and enhance your overall success in the market. Learning from mistakes and successes. Trading Bitcoin is a journey that involves both successes and setbacks. It's important to learn from each experience, regardless of the outcome. Analyze your successful trades to understand what worked well and why. Similarly, examine your losing trades to identify mistakes and areas for improvement. This continuous learning process helps refine your strategies and enhances your decision-making skills. Keeping a trading journal can be particularly useful for documenting your trades and thoughts, making it easier to review and learn from your experiences. The role of patience and discipline. Patience and discipline are vital traits for successful Bitcoin trading. The market's volatility can tempt traders to make hasty decisions, but staying patient and sticking to your strategy is crucial. It's important to wait for the right opportunities and avoid chasing quick profits. Discipline involves adhering to your trading plan, setting realistic goals, and managing risks effectively. Developing these qualities takes time and practice, but can significantly impact your trading performance. Using bots and automated trading. Automated trading, using bots and algorithms, is becoming increasingly popular among Bitcoin traders. These tools can execute trades based on predefined criteria, helping to eliminate emotional decision-making and improve efficiency. Bots can monitor market conditions around the clock, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. While automated trading can be beneficial, it's important to choose reputable bots and understand their limitations. Regularly monitoring and adjusting the settings of your bots is also crucial to ensure they perform optimally. Trading Bitcoin for profit requires a combination of knowledge, strategy, and discipline. By understanding the market, choosing the right platform, developing a solid trading strategy, and managing risks effectively, you can navigate the volatile world of Bitcoin trading successfully. Staying informed, learning from your experiences, and building a supportive community are key components of a successful trading journey. Remember, patience and a long-term perspective are essential for sustained success. Thank you for watching our video on how to trade Bitcoin for profit. We hope you found the information valuable and insightful. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content on cryptocurrency and trading. Visit our website at cryptogalorenews.live for more in-depth articles and resources. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at CryptoNewsGalore for updates and the latest news. Happy trading!